Welcome to our room tour of the Seabourn Encore Category V2 Veranda Suite number 714. This is a spacious and beautiful suite complete with walk-in closet. As you can see, it's embarkation day for us, so our room is set up so that we can unload and unpack our luggage. What's wonderful is you get your sea pass in your room and you don't have to collect it from the pier. Heading over into our lounge, you can see it's a very spacious area. And I wanted to come back here to show you the outlets by the bed. Most people ask questions what type of plug outlets there are aboard these ships, and I wanted you to be able to be sure if you needed to pack a travel adapter. Typical Seabourn welcome with a beautiful bottle of champagne, our loyalty amenity information, beautiful bouquet, appetizers, and actually a curated soap we got to choose. Our lounge is spacious and bright. They stock your room. You have everything you need for your mini bar with glassware, your pre-selected type of spirit you prefer, and you'll notice the bottled water above too is actually reusable, refillable bottles. There is no plastic bottled water on board. We are embarking in Venice in Fusina, and that's a top tip I'd like to share with you. When you embark from Venice, choose a cruise that departs from Fusina specifically, because Trieste and Ravenna can be quite far away. Here's my mum, who I was traveling with together. We arrived to Fusina port by private water taxi. Ask us as your luxury travel agency to plan that for you. It's much more convenient and a beautiful way to get from the city center to Venice cruise port in Fusina. Here in our spacious bathroom, you can see we have a large tub, bright lighting, double vanity, and excellent bath products, of course, by a luxury brand, as you'd expect on any of the luxury cruise lines like Seabourn. We are a travel agency based in Guelph, Ontario. My name is Jackie, I'm the CEO, and I hope you're in touch with us to book your next cruise. You can email us at travel@princeadventures.com. We hope you enjoyed this whole room tour, and we hope to be of service for your next cruise vacation. Reach out anytime by email travel@princeadventures.com. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.